Looking back on the early 21st century.
It was a runaway train headed for a crash. Out of control, gonna totally smash. All our hope was gone, or so it seemed. Cause the cities were all going underwater. Seemed like no way to save it for your son or daughter. It even just about almost fooled me. It was climate ruin. What were we doing? We were messing everything up for everyone. Now it's ocean restoration. We did the calculations, and now we're pulling out the CO2 by the gigaton. The powers that be were getting us in a panic. Their lack of good actions was making us manic. Yeah, what kind of fools we mortals be? But we took control of the situation and instituted ocean restoration. And everybody finally agreed to let it be. Yeah, we let it be. Ocean restoration, it's time for celebration. Yeah, cause we listened to Russ George and restored the oceans super fast. With plankton restoration, it was a revelation. Yeah, so many fish coming back and a huge reduction of greenhouse gas. Coal, gas and oil, we left it in the soil. Coal, gas and oil, we left it in the soil. Ocean restoration for the future generations. Ocean restoration, and stop the acidification. Ocean restoration with the cooling white cloud creation. Ocean pasture restoration, we gave our kids a healthy nation. Ocean restoration, and here's the explanation. Yeah, the 100 villages, they restored their ocean fishing pastures, which made the plankton bloom, which was pulling down all that CO2. It was climate ruin, yeah, but we saw that storm brewing. Back in the 2020s, we really dodged a bullet, and I bet you thought it was all over, didn't you? But we got on the right road, not a moment too soon.